The custom message field in MJog message templates allows you to add specific information to each patient's message. This is done using a new column in the CSV file that you will upload your patient list with. I have a template open in front of us at the moment for an example. Custom message is one of the many mail merge fields in your template editors. And we can see several in use on this template. Dear first name, vaccinations are now available. Your nearest centre is custom message. This is of course the one we're going to look at now. Please call hospital name on contact number. The patient name, hospital name and contact number are all available in your system automatically. It's the custom message field where we're going to need to do a little bit of extra work. Another example of using this recently was the named GP facility, where you needed to let patients know who their named GP was. In the custom message field, you'd add the name of the GP. To do this then, we're going to require our CSV file, and I've only got 2 patients in this list, but patient 102 is going to be told that their nearest centre is the surgery. Patient 6122 is to be told that their nearest centre is Warrington Hall. We can't see that in the preview at this time. If we add custom message in, here we are. You can see it's either going to be blank or it may say this is a sample custom message. Let's go continue with that. We now need to add our list of patients like we would under any other campaign circumstance. So select patient file or group, choose your file, open that and upload. It's going to look into the file, but this time, this page will be familiar from other campaigns you've sent, but over to the right we can see a new custom message column where it will say what data it's picked up and for which patient. Continue to pick your dates and add your codes. As you go into the send messages section and the previews appear in here, we can see in our text message preview it has picked up the relevant site to add for that particular patient. And again, this will be dependent on whatever you've added into the custom message field for that particular patient.